Okay, so now we're going to do the next repair on this unit, and this is quite a large split. As you can see here, it goes right across, and it's fairly wide. Now what we'll use, as I said earlier, will be the wax putty bricks. They've got a selection of 20 colours, so we're going to get a colour that's going to be as close as possible to this. And as I said earlier in the presentation, you could use a darker colour. Now if it's not quite right, these are a synthetic wax and they'll actually take lacquer, lacquer will adhere to them, so will stain and so will these pens. So if you're not quite right on your colour, you can always go over the unit, over the area that you've repaired with the pen, and that will actually adhere to it. So, so don't worry if it's not quite right in colour. When we get the repair done, we can just clean it up and use this if need be. So the black is the better one because of the dark tonings and stuff, and then as you'll see when we do the repair, it will be a lot better. Now what we need to do, because this is fairly pliable, the best way to use a wax stick or a putty brick in this situation is to get a little piece off there and elongate it like plasticine, like as if you're rolling up plasticine, and get it as close as possible to the size of the split that you're actually repairing, because it uses a lot less. It'll go into the split a lot better, but you'll use a lot less product. Okay, so what we do now is just push that into the split, and as you can see, you're not getting a real lot of excess on either side of it, because if you get too much excess wax on there, you're going to get a shiny mark. Because it's actually like it's waxing the furniture, so you're going to get like a shiny mark in there. So you want to avoid that if possible. As I said, it's quite pliable, so you can just keep moulding it with your fingers to push it down in there. When you do that, then just clean off the excess with an applicator or a blank credit card or something like that, and then just get a cloth Okay, so just clean the excess off. And just as I said, use a pen to darken it right up. Let that dry. That's what you do. We'll continue on with this. We'll pause the film, do that and come back to that and show you the finished result once we've done that.